세영수가 맨날 했어? 지금 내가? 응. Hey guys, I am so bored right now. I am studying, but also I'm a little bit hungry. So we're gonna go and make myself an instant ramen, but it's not gonna be ramen. It's gonna be noodles that my sister got from Vietnam. And I actually can't cook. If you guys know me, I literally have the possibility of burning down my house kitchen. The only thing I could cook on a stove are fried eggs and just, you know, prepackaged meals. I can heat them up, but nothing else, honestly. I literally can't cook. And I even told my mom that I'm probably gonna buy prepackaged meals and instant food when I grow older, and I'm never gonna learn how to cook. And I'm probably get my sister to do everything for me. If she's watching this, she knows her future. But anyways, we're gonna go and make ourselves some instant noodles. Enjoy a 1 minute of my cooking vlog. I don't think it's even gonna be 1 minute, but okay, first things first, we're gonna heat up some water because yeah, I don't think you need like 500 milliliters of water, but I'm just too lazy to actually measure that out. This is our stash right here, and actually this is not the stash. Where is my, is it in here? I think it's in here. We have random things in here. We have our favorite popcorn, my favorite popcorn, and yeah, this is what I was trying to find. Ouch. Next up, we're gonna boil some water on this thing. I was studying here this morning, but since no one's basically at home to supervise my studying, I'm gonna head back to my room. Hi guys, I just got a package delivered and I wanted to open it on camera with you guys because it was gifted by this company called LEOBOG, and I'm so thankful and grateful to have received this gift, and let's unbox it. Okay, this is the best angle I can get you guys on. So, here is the keyboard. Let's open it up. We have the instructions, I think. Let's look at the accessory box first, maybe. There's switches, extra switches in there, and, you know, obviously the cord to connect. And a tool for your switches, and this side for getting the keycaps off. Now let's open the actual thing. Why am I nervous? There's another instruction. Ooh, there are little logos. I really want you guys to be able to see the whole thing, but... Whoa. That's cute. Okay, I'm gonna do a little ASMR on this keyboard. The sound is so freaking pretty. Can you hear it, guys? Again, thank you so much for LEOBOG for sending me this amazing keyboard. I will cherish it. Thank you. Guys, I rewatched my old YouTube videos and I kind of remembered why and like how I started making videos, and it just made me so sentimental. It hasn't even been a year and it's already so like nostalgic for me, and I think it's also because of the fact that I don't go to school anymore and that I graduated and I really miss my friends. Good morning, guys. Today is Saturday and I know my Sundays are my day off, but today we decided to go to Seoul with me, my mom, my aunt, and my sister. My sister has a volunteer work near Seongsu, so we're probably gonna go there and just have lunch first, and my sister will meet up with us, and I think we're just gonna hang out near there and come back home and study on Sunday instead. Let's go. I just packed all of my makeup in here. Now I'm gonna take my AirPods, and just in case, I'm gonna take my physical wallet with me. Well, it's not my wallet, but whatever. I think I'm just gonna bring this plastic case with me, and let's go.